Nananaginip ka ba ng isang tahimik na beachside retreat sa isang world-class tourist destination? My name is Mix Consenco and East Bay, Palawan ay naghihintay sa'yo. Imagine, may-ari ka ng isang property sa isang strategic location malapit sa commercial hub, airport, hospital, at paaralan. At lahat ito sa lively district ng Puerto Princesa. Sa East Bay, Palawan, maaari kang mapumili ng residential lots, house and lots, and commercial lots. With a radius of 1 km to 2.5 kilometers, this is all accessible. Di lang matahimik dito ang lugar, kundi maganda rin ang investment property dito. Lalo na, umuunlad talaga dito ang tourism ng Palawan. For only 2 million pesos, we have a property that is available here in East Bay, Palawan. Our available terms and promos are available for cash, deferred, and bank finance. Pag cash, binayaran nyo dito sa InstaHomes promo, may 30% off po kayo. And pag bank finance, 20% naman po ang discount. And our monthly DP will go as low as 10,000 pesos a month. Ang slots po natin ay limited lang. Ang reservation fee is only 20,000 pesos. So grab your slot right now. To schedule a viewing or to inquire, just message me. My name is Mix Consenco and I'm gonna bounce. Skadush!